So let's read this question. So the question says that molar heat capacities at constant pressure for A, B and C are 3, 1.5 and 2 joule per Kelvin mole. So the enthalpy of reaction and entropy of reaction A+2 B gives rise to 3C at 20 kJ per mole and 20 joule per Kelvin mole at 300 Kelvin. So calculate del G in kilojoule per mole for the reaction half A plus B gives rise to 3 by 2C. So generally molar capacities of three gases A, B and C are given 3, 1.5 and 2 respectively, and enthalpy of reaction is given as 20 kJ per mole and entropy of reaction is given 20 joule per Kelvin and temperature is given 300 Kelvin. So now from this given data we have to find out the value of del G, which is gives free energy. Let's solve this question. So first the reaction is, first we'll write all the given data. So what is given in the question? So first molar heat capacities, that is we can write it as Cp of A is given, that is 3. Molar capacities of B is given, that is 1.5. Molar capacities of C is given, that is 2. And also enthalpy is given, del H is 20 kilojoule per mole, or we can write it as 20 into 10 to the power 3 joule per Kelvin. And entropy is given, which is known as del S, that is 20 joule per Kelvin. And temperature is given as 300 Kelvin. Now from this information you have to find out the value of del G. Now the reaction is same as before because the actual reaction is A+2 B gives rise to 3C, and if we divide the main reaction by 2, then it will be like 1 by 2. The reaction will be 1 by 2A plus B gives rise to 3 by 2C. So this is not going to change the answer because there is no role in the find out of del G formula. So if we'll put the formula of del G, then it is equal to, we know that del G is equals to del H minus T del S. So here no role of any mole or any other thing. So because del H is given, T is given and del S is also given. Now we can put all the values and find out the answer easily. So del H is given as 20 into 10 to the power 3 minus temperature is given 300 into del S is given 20. That means it will be equal to 17 into 10 to the power 3 kilojoule per mole. Joule per mole. This is joule per mole. Now we can also write it as 17 kilojoule per mole because in the question we have to find out the value of del G in kilojoule per mole. So the value of del G will be equal to 17 kilojoule per mole. So now let's understand this. So first we'll write all the given data that is given in the questions. So first we'll write all the data. Now we have to see what the questions asks us. So if we'll see according to question, we have to find out the value of del G. So to finding del G, value of del G, we know that the formula is del H minus T del S. And del H is given, T is given, del S is also given. So all the values are given. Now if this reaction, if we divide the main reaction by 2, there is no change in the answer. So it will remain same. So the answer will be 17 kilojoule per mole. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.